Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the solution of Python not opening in VS Code. So first of all, open the browser. You can open any of the browser and I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge. And here you have to search install Python. And then here is a download python.organization. So click upon here and then after that you can download. After downloading it will be saved in your file, and then from there you can just do the installation. And then after that open the VS Code, go to the extension. So this one is the extension, and here search the Python. You can just type the Python here, and here is a Python debugger Python. So from here you can just install. In my PC here is uninstall because I have already installed, but you can choose the install option from here and press Ctrl Shift P. So search here uh, Python interpreter. Choose the Python version, and here is the recommended, so I will choose this one. So after choosing that, run the program.